In today's video, we are going to be cash stuffing $341. And I have my cash breakdown right here, which you can see there. This light sucks. If you guys are interested in this cash breakdown, you could check the link of my Etsy shop in the description, and you can purchase it there. So we have 351. I'm trying to not hit the table because I'm having a different setup because I'm trying to make me a little office in my home, and we're gonna see how that works out. So I'm gonna show you guys bits and pieces of it once I'm done. But for right now, I'm trying to figure out what to do. I would like to move one day. That I would like to do, but that's a story for another time. So I have $341 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. Okay. So let's get into what are we doing with $341. So November 2023, paycheck number 1, $850. So rent is gonna get $342 because I do, just in case you're new here, I appreciate everyone who's subscribed, who's been commenting, and all that good vibe. I love it. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys. So rent, I can't even talk today. Today's been like one of those days. Rent is getting $342. T-Mobile's getting $90. Apple Music $16.99. Apple credit card $60. So you only see what you see here only because I've changed my due dates to my credit cards. And the reason why I've done that is because when my credit cards were due and then the closing dates were different from all the other ones and things like that, when I went to go pay the bill, the next one was due. And then when I went to pay that one, the next one was due. And I was just like, no, I have to do better because I need it all in one place for me to understand my budget. And little by little, I'm starting to understand my income, the money I've been receiving, and how to do my budget. I'm still working on it. I'm hoping by January of 2024 for that first paycheck that I am in tune with my paychecks, because I really want to get better at this, because I am struggling to figure out what to do with it, and things are not falling into place, and money's being spent here, and I'm trying to get that all organized. So yeah, so all this here has been transferred into my bill account, and then what's left is $341.01. Groceries is gonna get $175. Household is gonna get $20. MTA is gonna get $66. Extra is gonna be $80. So that total for here is $341. So the 1 cent, I just leave it in my bank account. So I'm gonna move this to the side so we can get this money together. I'm dealing with a really, really small space. My nails aren't painted. I was allergic. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my finger is really, really swollen. And I just came to realize that I'm allergic to one of the gel-based nail polishes. And I figured it out which one it was. And it's been getting my finger swollen. So this is what it's been doing to my nail. So I can't paint my nails and do anything to it yet. And I'm so angry. But I will be pampering myself and going to the nail salon to go do my nails again. But that won't be until I save that money. Because, you know, your girl's broke and debt and so on and so forth. So we have this. But before we get to the cash stuffing, I want to show you guys something that's coming to my shop. And this is one of them. And this is going to be the 100 envelope savings challenge. And I did it in this binder, which is so cute. Okay, it has the elastic. I'm going to open it now. So this is the 100 envelope savings challenge. It says here, you got this. Can the whole thing fit in the screen? No. So let's move this book. All right, we're gonna move this book, and then we're gonna move this out. And then it says here, my store name, save $5,550, and here it says you did it. So this one is laminated. Now, I'm one that I don't mind lamination, but I actually like the colors on the actual paper. So you guys would actually get the paper as well. Just in case you don't want to do lamination, you could do this one as well. And this is, and I did the numbers in black. So this is what it looks like all the way to 100. And then you have this elastic here if you want to close your book up. So I'm going to have it in this black and white, and also in this composition book, pink and black. So I don't know when it will be in my shop, but I would definitely let you know. You could go over to my Instagram, which is Mom Crafty Co, and you guys can check that out. So all that information on my Instagram, or check out my community tab, it will be posted. Oh, just keep watching here, and I'll definitely let you guys know when it will arrive in my shop, because I got some things that I'm trying to work on to do better on, like pictures and promoting myself and things like that. But I appreciate you guys, whoever did purchase from my shop. I really, really do appreciate it. It helps me so much to get so much closer to being debt free. So groceries is going to get $175. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100, 20, 40, 60, 75. So this is going to go into groceries. Let me see. I don't think I have anything in groceries. Let's see. Nope. The girl spent it all. Well, it was already spent when the paycheck didn't even hit the last paycheck. So, all right. Household is going to get $20. I need to buy some curtains, some shower curtains. I feel like I'm always saying that. Like, I've always got to buy shower curtains. Let me know if you guys, if I say that. Because I feel like every time I'm stuffing household, I tell you, I think I'm buying shower curtains all the time. So MTA will be getting 66. So 20, 40, 60, 65, 66. So we're going to actually put this in my envelope. And then Brooklyn, he has $2. I don't know where he got those $2 from, because I could tell you he hasn't had money in his thing in a long time. Okay, and then extra is going to get $80. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. And yep, extra is actually empty this time. I actually used that money to buy food. So that completes my wallet. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I think you're moving so much. I am so sorry. And also, guys, I will be doing Vlogmas this year. Hope and pray that I will be doing Vlogmas. But I am attending, I am participating in Vlogmas. So if you guys are interested in that, you can go over to my family channel, which will be in the link below in the description. And yeah, guys, this will be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you won't miss another video of mine.